registered the 21st of March 2014 on a 14 plate with only 3,832 miles and presented in the striking candy lime green. This fantastic one-owner example is in excellent condition and is a credit to its former loving keeper. This particular example benefits from full service history, 4 stamps in the book, and an awesome-sounding Delkavic exhaust. Powered by Kawasaki's punchy 649cc parallel twin engine, the ER6N strikes the perfect balance between real-world performance and everyday practicality. The smooth, torquey motor delivers plenty of low to mid-range grunt, making it ideal for city commutes, weekend blasts, and everything in between. With its slim chassis, low seat height, and confidence-inspiring handling, it's a bike that feels light on its feet and welcomes riders of all experience levels. If you're after a reliable, stylish, and engaging middleweight that's as enjoyable on twisty B roads as it is filtering through traffic, this ER6N is the one to have. This stunning ER6N was serviced, including spark plugs plus air filter, and would leave us with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.